Alright y'all, welcome back. It's Albert LaBelle, and the lock we got this time is something I picked up just recently. I was picking up some things for the house at my local home improvement store, and I was surprised to find I didn't feature one of these master locks yet. I've done a lot of master locks, but this is the M115XKADLF long shackle. Well, I don't know, it's not really long. I'd call that medium. Because some of them are real short, some are real long. I'd say medium size. Yeah, weather resistant, tough cut shackle. They give it an 8 out of 10. I don't know about that because it is a 4-pin lock. And we can see that right there from that key. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we don't even have to pop that thing off there because all we're going to do is go like this. And this. So let me grab probably this thin one right here. That fits pretty good. And let me grab bada boom, bada bing. I got to go around that corner. You see that keyway? It's kind of like you got to go left and right. So I'm going to grab. Let me grab this dude right here. This is, I think these are blue handles are like 15 thousandths. A little bit thinner than the gem, which is 18. It's just slightly thinner. Alright, so let's see if we can't pop this puppy. Just hold it like so and go to work. Magic words, bada boom, bada bang. Let's see, bouncy, bouncy. Alright, more tension. Bouncy, there we go. Nope. There we go. Got a binder. Had a binder. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go back to the back. 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. I guess we missed something. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3. I think I might have overset something because I feel really high. Three, 2 maybe. 2, 1. 4, 3. Yep, I overset. Let's do that again. Way overset. All right, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1. 4. Come on, baby. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. What's not setting? 4, 3, 2. There we go. Ooh, I'll tell you what, little sucker put up a pretty good fight. Got to give it that. But yeah, overset the first time you see. So I'll tell you what, whenever you're picking a lock like that and it just seems to not be working out, reset. Don't be afraid to start over. And I know sometimes we're committed. You might be committed you know, 10, 12, 15 minutes in the lock. But the best thing to do still is start over. Because if you got one of those pins overset, it's game over. You're not going to know. Or, you know, sometimes you're not going to know. So you just got to start over sometimes. You got to take the hit. And that's what happened there. You see, after I reset, bada boom, bada bang. So yeah, you know, decent little lock, maybe for something like a toolbox, maybe a shed, something like that, because it's pretty weatherproof outside. But the 8 out of 10, you know, it's master lock. For me, I'd probably give it like maybe a 3, something like that, 3 or 4, to be fair. So that's it. Master Lock M115. Thank you all so much for tuning. Remember, if you're not subscribed yet, you need to do so because all the cool people are doing it and you don't want to be left out. Thank you.